Hello, Ivana Olsen here. Today in a video I will show you how you can make money from Wealthy affiliate program. So let's begin.
Here we are on their website. Now I just need to log in. In this tab, they have affiliate program here. Here is your affiliate link that you can grab. Interesting thing is when you achieve 300 premium referrals in 2022, you will earn an invitation to hang out with Colin Carson and others on their private conference in Las Vegas. Now, program details. Here is your affiliate link, and you can earn revenue by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is one of the most exciting affiliate programs available anywhere online, and you can earn consistent revenue by simply referring others to the community. Here, as you can see, you will earn $23 when somebody upgrades. That is monthly, as long as they stay on that premium membership. That will be premium monthly recurring for you income. If they decide that they want to go for a yearly membership that is a little cheaper, you will earn $235 yearly recurring. Their conversion rate for their program is 1 in 8. That means for every 8 people that you refer, one will go up and become a premium member. That is a 12% conversion rate. That is very good. You can earn $100+ per premium sign up. That is if you are a premium member of theirs, but if you are on a starter program or on their free program and you refer people, then you will earn half of this. That is $11 monthly, and if they decide to go for a yearly plan, you will earn $117. They have one of the best affiliate trainings in the world. They have a step-by-step video-based training on how to build incredibly successful business by referring others to Wealthy Affiliates. There is no other community like Wealthy Affiliate in the world. Help spread the word by getting started with Bootcamp today. That's their affiliate bootcamp course. Now I will show you. And here are the lessons. In this one you have only 10 lessons. Getting started, you will learn to choose your direction, you will learn how to build a website, your initial website, housekeeping tasks, how to activate your plugins, getting your website ready for SEO or search engine optimization, your initial framework of content, create custom menus and navigation, understanding the importance of keywords. An exciting journey has begun. There are some testimonials of the premium members and what they think about their training. They think it's very helpful. They learned so much. and they enjoy taking all the classes. I will scroll down so you can read. And this is their calculation, how much you can earn. There are two examples. First is if you refer 5 members per day and conversion rate is 12% and they stay on the platform something about 4 months, you will earn monthly income of more than $1,000. And there is the example scenario 2. I will make my own. For example, if you refer 10 people per day and their conversion rate is 12%, like here, how they said, and they stay on a platform for about 12 months, 1 year, you will have monthly income of 9,000. Okay, now I will go into stats tab. There you can see how much have you earned today, how much have you earned yesterday, how much have you earned in the last 7 days, and how much you earned this month. Here you can see detailed stats for a week, month, year, 2 years, and all time. Your revenue, your payment settings. Here you will provide a PayPal email where they can pay you what you earned. And here you can set up your threshold. Minimum is $25, but you can set it up for $100, $200, and $300, up to $5,000. Okay, next tab is referrals. Here you will see all your referrals or people that upgraded to Wealthy Affiliate from your link. On this tab are messages. From here you can send messages to your referrals and communicate with them. Here is training all about affiliate marketing and how to properly do that. They will teach you how to build your website, blog, and how to monetize that blog with affiliate marketing. There is tracking. Here you can see all your stats of your links. Here you can create a comparison table where you can compare, for example, Wealthy Affiliate to other programs. This code you can embed on your website, to copy and embed on your website, and to have Site Rubik's website plugin and PPC conversion tracking. Next step is banners. They will provide you with all the banners that you can use for your promotions. And here you see what you will get on a starter, as a starter member, and what will you get as a premium member. Premium member is $49 per month. And here are the banners. That's it. If you decide to upgrade your account to premium, I have bonuses. You just need to email me. Everything is down in the description below. And now I will show you the bonuses. Here is ClickBank Marketing Secrets book, how you can make money with ClickBank products, and YouTube Authority, how you can rank your videos higher in search engines of the YouTube. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, you can comment, like, and subscribe.